I'm Yogi Parashara. I've been in Extreme now for just over 4 years. I run the public sector or government space within the UKI region. Yeah, I've got 37 years of experience in technology. To delve into a little bit more, I look after, I'm a high-touch sales team, and basically we look after the relationship between the end user and Extreme. Favourite part of my job is actually building those relationships with our end user customers, especially new ones, and being able to develop that connection with them from a relationship perspective in order them to become their trusted advisor. I love winning business from the big players. I see us as, certainly from a size perspective, the underdog. So when you get over, you win business against those big guys, there's nothing gives me a better buzz. I suppose when I first joined, wasn't sure whether I'd be able to, fit in or not. Although I'm pretty experienced, you always have that nagging feeling in the back of your mind. I think the other thing to bear in mind when I joined, just to put it into context, was during COVID. So my first day in Extreme was opening my laptop on my sofa at home, and going through an onboarding process. My manager was like 70, 80 miles away. Obviously we were under lockdown number 2 at the time. So, I wasn't sure how, in that environment, how well I would be able to flourish, but I've made a success, and that's largely down to the kind of team that I'm a part of in UKI, and being able to integrate with the wider virtual team, both from a support channel, my colleagues within the direct sales team, and my pre-sales guys especially. And I've been surprised how knitted together we are, and that I've become now part of that group, and it's a real pleasure and honour to be part of that team. That's a good question. Superpower that I would want, probably to fly. I'm a big aviation enthusiast, so from that perspective, that would be good. I suppose there's another one. This is more related to my sales team, is be able to, as a sales guy, be able to change people's minds. Outside of work, I have 3 children and a grandson as well, so that kind of keeps me on my toes and very busy, even though all my children are kind of adults. Also, as they are adults, I've got more free time, so I'm aspiring to be a drone professional, taking various drone exams for being a drone pilot. I do hold a PPL myself, private pilot license, so kind of leads me in good stead, aircraft and things of that nature. So yeah, I've got a number of things that keeps me busy. Also astronomy, love looking at the planets. Other than that, traveling, love doing that sort of stuff.